Let's start it off with the J7 boys. In a tie for 4th place, Charlie Strouch and Hunter Brigger.
Hey guys, you're right in front of the little ones. Sweetie,
if you're not here, you know you can pick up your award at our front desk anytime after today. In a tie for 2nd place is Cooper Skidmore and Brandon Laurenti. Are they here? Oh, this is Brendan Laurenti. Tie for 2nd. And 1st place was Davis Armitage. Is Davis here?
Yeah, right
Good job, Davis! Look at me! Look over here! Hands up! Yeah, nice! Good job!
Good job! Well done!
All right, for J6 girls, we have